Hi friends, this is Shayanti and you are welcome to Big Basket Lifestyle. In today's world, multitasking is the way to go. So what if your beauty products did the same for you? Would you not love it? I will show you how you can use the same beauty kit and get more out of the same products. This is how to do it. Product that I want to show you is a highlighter which can double up as your eyeshadow as well. I'm using my fingers to take the product. This is a golden matte eyeshadow and this can also double up as a highlight. The next product I would suggest is the foundation which you already used on your face can work as a concealer as well. So take the intense part of the foundation and apply it on the under eyes. This is my eyeliner. I'm going to apply it on the eyelids. And using the same brush, I'm going to brush out the lashes as well. Do the same for the lower lashes. My next product is going to be the one which will help you to contour your face as well as fill your eyebrows. I have an angular brush and here is the brown powder with which I'm going to fill the eyebrows first and then contour the face. Now once the eyebrows are groomed, I'm going to use the same brown powder with my fingers to contour the face. Now the final product that I have is for the lips and the cheeks. So lip color or lipstick we all have and it's really easy to use it as a blush on as well. The shade of pink actually works across all complexions, so you can start out with the pink lip color. I hope this video was useful for y'all. Do let me know in the comments below which of these beauty tricks you actually tried out and got compliments for them.